Hello guys, it's Crypto-Nelly here. If you want to know more about ELROND in a much more easy explanation, then continue to watch this video till the end, where I explain a more in-depth of one of my favorite blockchains. My name is Nelson, and if you're new to this channel and like daily crypto news, then please smash that like button and subscribe and turn on that bell notification so I can continue to make videos like this for you. Also, if you're not new to this channel and continue to watch my videos and find value in it, then please subscribe. Hit the like button, as this will help out the YouTube algorithm and in turn it helps out my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, just before I do, please check down in the description area for some affiliated links with sign up bonuses on exchanges. Also a link to get a Ledger Nano X to store all your favorite cryptos. Today I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite blockchains, Aeron, which I think will supersede most of them by the end of this bull cycle. Scalability has been an issue with blockchain technology. As the blockchain grows, so too as the amount of data stored on each computer in the peer-to-peer network. This poses to be a critical issue as blockchain proved to outgrow its cryptocurrency roots and now poised to reshape technology used within our everyday lives. So to achieve its full potential, blockchain has to grow exponentially without becoming too slow, which might bog down computers on which it runs. That means making it scalable. That's when sharding comes in. It's a method to reduce all that slow congested traffic in transactions. To solve that main problem in public blockchain technology, it involves a consensus, a protocol, also known as distributed ledger technology. It's what underlies how transactions are authenticated, through the majority of blockchain users having to agree that the proposed transactions are authentic and can be added to that chain. So therefore, there has to be a consensus. The consensus algorithm used by the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum payment network uses a lot of compute CPU cycles. In turn, it uses a lot of power. Furthermore, the proof of work blockchain has to record a lot of transaction data between users from other computers or nodes, causing it to slow down as it grows further from usage. An example is Bitcoin, where it can only process up to 7 transactions per second. Ethereum is a little faster though. It can process up to 30 transactions per second. So this is why I think Aeron will be the one blockchain that will stand out from them all and the rest. Aeron is a high throughput public blockchain aimed at providing security, efficiency, scalability, and interoperability beyond the current state of the art. The two most important features that set Aeron apart are adaptive state sharding and a secure proof of stake consensus mechanism. Aeron is a distributed transactional computational protocol which relies on a sharded stake architecture and a secure proof of stake consensus mechanism. While most other blockchain networks require custom hardware and high energy consumption, Aeron runs on average computers. By employing sharding, a method of parallelizing data and transactions processing, Aeron's performance will scale up with the number of computers joining the network, reaching more than 100,000 transactions per second, while growing increasingly decentralized through adoption. The Aeron network is the first to present a viable solution where all three aspects of sharding, state, network, and transactions have been implemented at once. Combined with its adaptive component, this novel architecture allows for dynamic network configuration to maintain a high level of security while scaling with demand. In addition to scaling through sharding, Aeron also approaches the consensus problem with a mechanism called a secure proof of stake, which mitigates potential attack vectors when compared to proof of work, while also enabling large throughput and fast execution. By solving some of the hardest consensus and sharding problems in the blockchain space, Aeron is able to provide a very high level of performance on a network made of inexpensive computers, resulting in a very low cost per transaction. In addition to performance and cost, Aeron also stands out through the quality of the developer experience and the resulting boost in usability on the end user side. What's unique about Aeron is that it can keep adding shards when needed, saving throughput and compute power. Sharding is where it will drive ETH 2.0 to faster transaction speeds. So unlike ETH 2.0 at the moment, though, where they start with having a lot of shards, but it's fixed in only. Further upgrades of blockchain networks will be needed if they need to scale further in the future, which I believe they will. They don't have the ability to expand or contract when needed to. So parallel processing projects either have it or they don't, and it can be scaled out where there is wasted compute power. An example is to use the traffic analogy, where there is a lot of traffic on the highway roads. Aeron can add lanes and create better traffic flow, better than they can reduce lanes when not needed to. With this technology, adaptive sharding, anyone can crack the code or copy it when they do. Aeron would have been way ahead in time with it and already onto something new. Aeron has claimed to be one of the fewer carbon negative blockchains around. 3,200 nodes are required to run the proof of stake consensus mechanism, but only 1,600 nodes at any given time are waiting with the secure proof of stake. By securing a network, nodes at random are shuffled in and out of the shards at the call of adaptive state sharding. This is done to reduce the chances for validators to collude and attack the blockchain, as nodes are put in random, so by when one figures out, they would have been shuffled around already. In doing so, this increases security. To understand the pricing of where it's at now, you just have to zoom out on the charts and have a look at the growth through adoption. So there you have it, guys, a new video on ELROND. Tell me what you think down in the comment section, whether this brought value to you. Just remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I make this video for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please do your own due diligence research before making any informed decisions. So to the new viewers and current ones, if you haven't done so, please subscribe, hit that like button to get that YouTube algorithm going so it can help out the channel, and in turn I can continue to make videos like this for you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.